Hello, I'm Deval Bhatt, Senior Sales Engineer at Samsung. In this video, we'll show you how to use Knox Manage Quick Start Wizard. This tool helps with organization and user registration, profile settings, application registration, and profile and application distribution. To get started, visit samsungknox.com. Click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Once you get to the login page, enter your credentials and click Sign In. This will take you to the Knox dashboard page. Scroll down to Knox Manage and click Launch. Log into the Knox Manage admin portal. Select Quick Start from the admin portal menu on the left-hand side. Enter the organization title. Click Add to register a user into the organization. In the Add User window, enter the user information. A username, user ID, and email are all mandatory fields. Once complete, click Save, then Next. Note that once created, you cannot edit the organization title. However, the added user can be edited or deleted from the organization. In the Add Profile step, you can create a profile to manage devices or applications. In this example, we will create a device management profile. Click Create Profile under Device Management Profile and provide a profile name. Here are some of the most common policies for device management. Additional policies can be added by going to Profiles and editing your device management profile. In this example, we're forcing GPS on. Make your desired selections in the Quick Start Wizard. Once completed, click Save. When the device management profile settings are completed, in the Add Profile step, click Next. In the Deploy Profile step, check the information you have set for Set Organization and User, Device, and App Management Profile. Before deploying, you can click Modify in each step to confirm your settings. Once complete, click Deploy. In the Deploy Profile window, select either email or SMS and click Confirm to deploy the profile. The deployed profile is automatically applied after the installation of Knox Manage. If needed, you can always edit user information or the device management profile from your Knox Manage admin portal. And that's how to use Knox Manage Quick Start Wizard. To learn more about how Samsung Knox can help your business, visit samsung.com/Knox. For support with or to access your account, visit samsungknox.com.